Hey guys, welcome to One Pretty Little Box and happy Thursday. I've been doing these on Friday, but today is the day that I went to the store and have my menu plan ready, and I'm just going to share today. I've got something else for you for tomorrow. 2 liters of Mountain Dew Code Red, because I'm just cool that way. 4 gallons of water. Dog food, cat food, and we are going to try these with pumpkin. These things are so funny. Let me use this for a second. These things are so funny looking. They're fancy feast appetizers. It'll be interesting to see if he likes that, but it's probably the perfect amount because he does not eat a whole lot of wet food. So, I honestly didn't eat a whole lot, guys. I say that, and you're going to see this. You're going to say, what? Mushrooms. A bag of red potatoes. Some margarine. We like that on toast. I do use real butter all the time, but I have plenty, and we are running out of that. String cheese, because yes, again, pepperoni, because we're doing pizza sticks tomorrow. It's becoming a Friday regular in our house. Some shredded cheddar cheese, a gallon of milk, a gallon of tea, two cans of cinnamon rolls. The boys can make those on their own. Next week is spring break, so I try to get things they can fend for themselves. Sour cream, an 18 count of eggs, frozen baby lima beans. I'm the only one in the house that likes these, but I will gladly eat this whole bag because they are my favorite. There's 4 servings, and I probably wouldn't eat a whole thing because they are filling, and what I'm serving this with is going to be a filling meal anyway. But I love these beans. Green beans, of course, pepperoni, I told you. A roast. I'm going to do the River Ranch roast. I do have a recipe video on that. I will make sure to link it right up here for you. It'll also be down in the description box below. Some thin sliced chicken breast. Trimmed and ready chicken breast. Whatever. 2.25 pounds of lean ground beef. A family pack of chicken legs, the drumsticks. I also have some hamburger buns, some of our favorite potato wedges, corn dogs, because I think the boys are running low. If not, it is, again, spring break. That's why you see pizza. Hold on. So sorry. Burrito mix. I honestly don't know the difference between burrito mix and taco seasoning mix, so I bought them because I wanted to see if there was a difference. Some flour tortillas in the burrito style. Fresh lemons. 4 cans of cream of mushroom soup. It's for 2 different recipes. 2 of the Good Seasonings Italian seasoning. I like this. This one is my favorite. Actually, the zesty Italian one is my favorite. But the Walmart one is okay. I actually bought, or that's what I had on my list. They were out, so they substituted, which was nice. 2 ranch packets. You guys know that is just a seasoning I keep in my pantry. We use it quite often in many different recipes. Some more of the melt and dip. It is just like Velveeta. Cooks just the same. If anything, it might be a little saltier, but I mix it with spicy stuff, so it's okay. Yes, pre-made chocolate icing, because your girl, I can make a mean and not so lean homemade chocolate cake that is out of this world and frosting, but I don't want to do that this week, so I'm cheating with the yellow cake mix and chocolate frosting, and I have not made this combination in years, so they are going to love it because it's a different treat. Pizza sauce, again for the pizza sticks. This is one of my all-time favorite seasonings. It's the garlic salt by Lawry's. I like it. It has parsley in it, and it's just amazing. Family size pack of Nutter Butters. We still have plenty of Oreos from last week, but one of the twins really prefers these and not the chocolate covered ones my husband likes, so I decided to indulge him a little bit. Some more green tea just as a backup. Some crushed tomatoes. I have some soy sauce, some Worcestershire sauce, some barbecue sauce, some, already made baked beans. again, can make a mean recipe, but I don't have time this week, and that's a good backup. And Lipton onion soup mix, and that is it. I couldn't believe that. That's it. My original total was $169 something, but they didn't have the pork, and I see that the drumsticks are less than what they projected, and I think the roast is a little less too, so it should come in under that. But this is our menu. This is Thursday through Thursday, and I don't have a Thursday up there. That is today. We are doing DoorDash. We're actually going to order Wendy's and have it delivered, and that is dinner. So there you go. Friday, I'm going to do macaroni and tomatoes for my husband. It is one of his favorite things. And I'm going to do pizza sticks for the boys and I. Again, that's becoming a Friday staple. My husband likes them, don't get me wrong, but this is something that he has always adored. It's something his mom used to make him as a kid that he loved, and he just likes it. One of the twins really likes it too. Saturday, we're going to do build your own burritos, chips and salsa with queso. It's just a perfect Saturday dinner for a weekend where we are hanging out because it's going to be nasty and rainy again. Sunday is oven barbecue chicken legs, potato salad, baked beans, cornbread muffins. I do tend to cook a larger family meal on Sundays. Call me traditional. That's just what I like to do. Monday, I had down pork cutlet sandwiches and potato wedges, but they were out of my pork cutlets. So either I'm going to do a second takeout night just simply because it is spring break. My husband's not a big eater on that day, on Mondays ever. So I haven't decided. We'll see. I'm gonna let time, taste buds, and circumstances decide that for me. Tuesday, I'm gonna do country smothered chicken. I have not made this in years. I'm talking years. And it's something I loved, and it's just delicious. And I think the boys are old enough now where they'll like it because they eat better than they used to when they were little. And I like to serve it over rice, and then green beans and butter dipped biscuits. That is the day I'm also going to do those baby lima beans. Wednesday, I have down a River Ranch roast, sour cream and onion mashed potatoes, corn on the cob, and garlic toast. That is going to be a very easy meal because the roast cooks in the crock pot, and I'm using instant mashed potatoes, and corn on the cob is frozen, and the garlic toast is the hardest part I'll have to do that night, which will be nice. Thursday, I have creamy chicken and broccoli, and I put a notation that it may change, and it may. I don't like doing chicken 2 days in a row. My husband does not appreciate that very much, so I'll try not to do that. So I may just kick that back and move the pork cutlet sandwiches and wedges to that day. I don't know. We're just going to have to play it by ear. And of course, the dessert of the week, which is I usually make for the weekend, is going to be the yellow cake and chocolate frosting. And that is it. Thank you guys so very much for coming to check out my grocery haul. I'm glad that you're here. If you like grocery hauls, or if you've been enjoying the channel lately, I would love it if you give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. I appreciate you, and I'll talk to you guys another time. Bye!